Hey y'all, it's Saturday morning. We got a few thunderstorms rolling in. I got a new product here. It's an Old Smokey, and it was only $77. I ordered it. I'm not affiliated with them. I just wanted to review it and see if it's worth the price. I mean, for $77, you can't beat it. So let's open it up, see what's in here. Dun, dun. Okay, I'm going to put it together and I'll be right back. Okay, some of the features of this thing is it's got nice handles on it. They look pretty sturdy. They're made out of wood. And the legs, they're kind of short, but you can get leg extensions for them. The bottom has a damper on it. You can control the airflow that way. I like that pretty good. We turn it around here, and this is the inside of it. Now, if you notice, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the screws for the legs, they stick out here and on the bottom. And you've got this charcoal base that goes on the bottom, and it lays right in here like this, right on top of the screws. And then it's got a nice 22-inch grate right here, and it sits right here on top of these screws. So there you go, folks. I'm going to show you the top here in just a second. Here's the top. It's got nice wood handle on the top, two dampers here, one here, one here. You can control the airflow there from the top. So you got two dampers, or three dampers, one large one on the bottom and two smaller ones on the top. Okay, so there we go. That's the Old Smokey. It's made in Houston, Texas. Made in the good old USA. Oldsmokey.com if you want to check them out.